Hi guys, in this video we are going to add a schema that we intend to use globally. And when we say globally, it means a schema that can be used site-wide. So whatever schema that we are going to use or create shall be used on this page or in this field. So let's create a schema that shall be site-wide, and potential candidates for such type of schema are the organization, brands, web page or articles or site navigation elements, breadcrumbs, and all these are all the types of schemas that can be added site-wide. So for this particular example we are going to use organization. So let's go to add new and our global schema, right? And over here we are going to select organization. It's simple organization, and this is schema.org page that describes all the properties related to organization. So let's get back. We shall try to be simple. The name of the organization, well, we can provide the property value for this organization name, but rather we can go and also use this blog name and link to the blog name. Whatever blog name is used or the site name is used, it shall be used for the organization name. And so it's a name. Well, the next value can be URL. So what is the URL of the organization? So again, let's link to the blog URL, right? The third thing is we can add slogan. So if you just find, so I'm not just making this up, so a slogan property value property is available for organization, so we can add the slogan, and we can also link it to the blog description. So I'm just showing you what are the options when we say link existing. I'll just show you in a moment. So it's a description or slogan, right? Slogan. And for the description, I'll just use some lorem, some dummy text. So let's just not filling this up, just showing you just a placeholder. And now let's add an address. For the address property, if we go to the organization schema and search for address, it asks for either it can be a text value or it can be a postal address. So let's use the second technique and add it as a postal address right over here. And this is our address, and we are not going to provide any value for this property value because we are using its child to describe what is the address. So inside an address, the first thing that comes to mind is the street address. Let's fill out this value. For instance, 7672. I'm just making this up. Dummy street. Okay, so it's a street address. It's just a label. We don't have to do anything. Next thing is that what is the address locality or address region or country. So for locality, we can say it's Lakeside Avenue, and it's locality. Then we can have address region, and we can use, for instance, Florida for that. There, by the way, there is a full detail of these related postal address values are available on this address, postal address. So we can go and find all these things, but I'm just showing you some placeholders to show you how we can add this. So next is the country. So address country is US, and it should do the trick. So it's an address. So let's just publish this schema. Right now, if we go to our website, I'm opening it in a new tab, visit site, and if we just test the schema, there is no schema added to our home page or any other page right now. So let's go to our settings page, and inside our settings page, activate site-wide schema, we are going to select our global schema. We can name it anything. For instance, if we name it organization schema, so it doesn't have to have a name of global, by the way. So let's just reload. And now if we are organization schema, let's just select that and save the settings. Now let's go to the front end and try to reload the page. Now let's test the schema again, and it has added organization schema. So these are all the values. If you see, its name is uSchema demo. This is my site name. Its slogan is just another WordPress site. Description is lorem and anything that I can add, and all these things are there. We can add all the values that are available on this page of schema.org organization page, and we can structure our data accordingly. So this is how we can add a global schema to our website. Just to make sure it is loaded on all the pages, so let's just go to sample page, and on the sample page, if we click on schema tester, it is using that same schema because it is added site-wide. In the same way, you can add brand schema or other related schema that you want to use globally, and it shall be available on global schema basis. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comments.